Hi guys, welcome to Reviewer YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video I will review with Smart Slide Pro 2.0 review. So watch video completely guys, don't skip this video guys. If you are watching on first time in my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also guys. Let's get start this video guys. This is official website of the Smart Slide 2.0 guys. Attention guys, business owners, freelancer and marketers or corporate workers. Discover how you can create stunning, attention-grabbing and professional presentation, pitch decks and business reports on marketing visuals and more. This is 100% best in product guys, because you will easily create smart slide of presentation video. I will play this video of this demo video guys. Now we'll see this video.
Are you struggling to improve your presentation? Want to deliver better presentations and marketing visuals for your business? You are in the right place. This new bundle will give you creative and effective presentation and marketing visuals with high quality, based on real concepts. Let me introduce Smart Slide Pro 2.0. This game-changing and revolutionary tool empowers you to create stunning, attention-grabbing, and professional presentations, pitch decks, marketing visuals, and more within minutes. Smart Slide Pro 2.0. It comes with 1600 plus ready-to-use multi-purpose professional slides with 38 plus pre-made categories templates, creative layouts, infographics, photo galleries, subtle effects, numerous color choices, and multiple visual options. All of the templates are compatible with PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slide, LibreOffice, and WPS Office. It's a complete solution for building the presentation of your dreams. What does this mean for you? You can now create high-impact presentations even if you have zero design or technical skills. And the best part? There are no limits. Create winning pitch deck presentations for all types of businesses, including authors, digital marketers, bloggers, and even for your own clients, right now. So what are you waiting for? Buy now and get our special early bird price. You only need to click the button below this video and download Smart Slide Pro 2.0 today. Are you
Alright guys, now we'll explain for this benefit of this product guys. Now we'll see guys, is all done for you: professional presentation, pitch decks and business reports, marketing visual sets, and this 1600 plus ready to use multi-purpose Smart Slide Pro and Visual 2 with great professional slides, creative layouts and infographics, photos, galleries and subtle effects of numeric colors of multiple visual options guys. Is all-in-one solution, so no need to buy separate models on all in the template of compatible and the PowerPoint and Keynotes, Google Slide, LibreOffice and WebDP Office. So suitable for authors, teachers, students and business owners and digital marketers, freelancer and bloggers and more guys. Because it's 99 color plus themes fully auto animated. And now we'll see guys the build create a big of drag presentations. So and fast and get more audience attentions and conversations. So great inspiring engaging visuals in a minute then appear alongside them as you deliver the presentation. So most interactive persuasive presentations even for yourself or your client project or in any niche. So professional designs and all type of presentations included. So 38 plus supercharged models with tons of elements, slideshow layouts, infographics, editable charts, vector icons and many more great features. So easy to use and customizable and learn easily with step-by-step guide in few minutes guys. This is fully comfortable with 3D supercharged mobile model, 1000 plus unique slides, fully animated and one free word of use, 4K Ultra HD and more bonuses. So this special discount price guys is early bird for this. Now active the commercial rights including when you act. So full-time right only for this $67 per year, but you will assess only for this $27 for one-time payment guys. Plus is 30-day provide for this money back guarantee also. Now we'll see guys, the great presentation can be the game changer. So previously you need to have two options to create presentations. So create your own design and use your free design template. So what if you done easy to create stunning captivating professional presentation within a minute with zero technical of skills. This is a banner of this smart slide introducing guys. Now we'll see guys, the design is high impact presentations that convert within the minute and no limits. Now we'll see guys, this type of presentation you will also actually ready-made template guys, so you can easily drag and drop that, easily making a slideshow video also. The 1600 plus unique slides and 38 plus pre-made template category. Now we'll see guys, so amazing. After we'll see this guys, 1600 plus new improved slides presentation empower you create a capability standing eye converting engaging presentation within a minute even if you have zero technical skills or design skills. So here how it works in 3 simple steps guys. Select your Smart Slide Pro 2.0 design you love and edit your own visual as per your needs and expert and use. So get all the options you need to inside your dashboard for your professional presentation. So get Smart Slide Pro 2.0 for just your one-time payment. So here a list of incredible feature of in your product is 1600 plus presentation template and 38 plus supercharged model and 5-in-1 integration and unlimited access of animations and translations. Here are the some type of template that you will get inside the bundle guys. Number 1 is cover design guys. Number 2 is about us. Number 3 of our timeline, PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Site, WebAPI Office of LibreOffice. Now we'll see guys, so amazing of this template guys, you can easily creating and editing. Power 4 guys, our service, PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Site. And number 5 guys, our mission and vision. And number 6 guys, our future. And number 7 guys, our team. Actually this time is so beautiful actually this time. Now we'll see guys, as individual team. And number 9 portfolio. And number 10 laptop monitor mockup. And number 11 phone and tab mockup. And another one is 12 paragraph layout. And 13 soft infographic. And 14 process infographic. And 15 puzzle infographic. And 16 pyramid infographic. And 17 tree infographic. And 18 transportation infographic. And 19 funnel infographic. And 20 is the circle infographic. 21 the gear infographic. I will see guys, and illustration infographic. And 23 relationship infographic. And 24 mind map. And 25 structure to flow chart. And 26 client testimonial. And 27 table price list. And 28 calendar event. And 29 world map. And 30 closing. And 31 smart certificate. And 20 design style. So beautiful guys, so amazing. 32 for smart poster. I will see guys. And 33 smart ticket. And 34 guys, icon pack. This total of emoji icon. Here the sum of the incredible benefits guys. So you can quickly and easily create a standing presentation and pitch decks without spending hours and figuring out what to do. So no more spending ended of thousands of dollars of freelance of designer. So create a professional presentation. So capture your audience attention and immerse them into the visual stores that break thought animation transactions. So create eye converting engaging and buy our comment you want whenever you want. So buy our comment you want whenever you want. So buy our commercial license to create a presentation to our clients and sell them at a premium guys. So what is the investment guys? And those price are for only and one presentation template guys. This is regular price. So are you impressed? Well, you just tip on the iceberg. So you are absolutely giveaway for 4 exclusive bonus guys. Yes guys, this is absolutely free only for if you act right now and take action today night. Because I will give the special link for you guys in description below. You will check it out this official website also. Once you will purchase this special link to, you will access the premium bonuses guys. Definitely guys, the premium bonuses always for free giveaway guys. Yes guys, it's 20 toolbox of Square promotion template and 20 toolbox of vertical promotional template and 20 toolbox of headline cover template and 20 toolbox of banner template. This is also provided for 30-day money back guarantee guys. I have already explained it guys. So you will, if you are not satisfied for this money and this product, definitely your money will refund within 30 days guys. Because testable product only provide for this money back guarantee, guys, because this testable product is really worthful, really fantastic of this product, and making easily creating slideshow whatever it is. So definitely use it this product, guys, and make it easily create a slideshow and templates whatever it is, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video, guys. This total cost for 27 bucks only, guys. So believe me, guys, trust me, guys, this definitely this product really worthful, guys, plus $2 additional discount also, guys. Use this code of VIP2 off. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain this video, guys. I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will check it out, this presentation video also, and after you will decide, guys, this product really worth or not, and give you a comment in my comment section also, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.